All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab is in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today, look at this. I got the Chenyu bamboo slider here with me for a review. We're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this little fella. But hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. And you know what? If you are in the market for fidget toys, why don't you check out Fablades.com and see if you find the toy of your dreams. So this guy comes with these hard plastic with these flaps which might come off, but they are still holding in place. It's pretty cool. And inside you're gonna find that's the toy. That's the bamboo polished Zirc slider. So this is an item made in China. It's gonna be around $150 because of the polished Zirc, maybe 170. So that's the ballpark you are gonna find yourself if you are in the market for this fella. Let's quickly check the size. So the narrowest point is 0.41. At the widest is, let's see, right over here is going to be 0.47. Overall length, like this, oops, there we go, 2.37 inches. So it's interesting, guys. Also, like, check this out. Lanyard hole option. You can use this in your keychain or whatever, like lanyard hole. It's cool. So let's just quickly check a couple just to see like this, how the size is comparing, for example, to the Choclick from Black Mirror Design. Another one from Black Mirror Design that I love is the telephone dial. So you can see it right next to that. This is the Lauti, and I think this is with the collaboration with the EDC House haptic coin. Just to give you an idea, let me show you another couple sliders. Bulletproof Shield by One Studio. It's right over there. Another pretty cool slider. This is the 42 Cosmo Nebula. Fantastic slider. Check out the review for that one as well. Mackie Capsule 2, of course. This is the VW EDC fan. And what else can I show? Just this, because I love this guy. That's the Tom EDC Mahjong slider. That's the version 1. So let's check this guy out because it's well made. This is Zirc. It's polished. It's nice. Has a good feel in the hand. The look is, of course, like a bamboo stick, 3 sections. It doesn't move like that. It just moves like this. So it's just sliding in this direction, and then there's like pins. You see how it works. These 2 pins right over here are going into this track right over there. And by the way, on the inside you can see the serial number 47, Chenyu and Zirc. So that's how you're gonna know that it's authentic, and that's is gonna have to match on the box that you're given with it This guy, I was saying, has 1, 2, 3, 4 states, 4 magnets on each side. So you get 8 magnets in total. This guy is just a slider. So it's sliding like that. And actually, like this. Here we go. So it just slides like that. It's nice to slide like this as well, because you can overextend it and then just push it down. But I like to do like this, just a little bit more like that. I mean, this is also the same. It's nice because like the profile of this just matches your thumb. So it's very pleasant just to feel it like in this dimple right over there, because it just feels good. You can also do like in between, it's fine. But the feel in the hand is nice. You have oops, that's the sound. So if you overextend, of course, it's gonna fall off. If you just don't put it back in the right way, it's just not gonna go all the way in. But that's gonna be the sound. It's quite pleasant. It's not too loud. Or you can just slide it quietly. So in your hand, enjoy the haptic feedback that you receive from these magnets, repelling, attracting. It's pretty cool and slides pretty smoothly. There is no Teflon installed here, like guard tape kind of thing, but I'm sure you can do it. You can put it off, and have this guy become a little bit smoother than this, but still pretty cool design, very classic, very minimal. Weights, if the weight is going to be very controlled because it's a small one. I mean, there's not much. Look at that, 1.1 ounces. It's going to be a very cool one to add to your keychain, to keep in the pocket, in the pouch, in the purse, wherever. It's a neat one. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.